How to make 10 yummy snacks at home. 1. Homemade trail mix. Mix together your favorite nuts, seeds, dried fruits. Popular options include almonds, peanuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and dried cranberries or raisins. And perhaps some chocolate chips or M&Ms for a sweet treat. 2. Baked sweet potato chips. Slice thin sweet potato. For seasoning, you can use just salt or you can add other spices like paprika, cumin or chili powder. Toss with a bit of oil and salt, and bake in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until crispy. 3. Homemade granola. Mix together oats, nuts, seeds, a sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup, and any spices or extracts you like. Vanilla and cinnamon are popular choices. Spread the mixture out on a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown. 4. Homemade popcorn. Heat a bit of oil in a pot with a tight-fitting lid. Once the oil is hot, add in some popcorn kernels and cover the pot. Once the popcorn starts to pop, shake the pot occasionally to prevent burning. Once the popping slows down, remove the pot from the heat and add salt and butter or any other flavoring as you like. 5. Guacamole and veggies. Mash avocado with some lime juice, garlic, and salt. Serve with carrot sticks, celery sticks, or sliced bell peppers for dipping, or cut the veggies into sticks or slices and serve with the guacamole. 6. Yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, granola, and berries in a jar or a glass. Repeat layers until the jar or glass is full. 7. Chocolate-covered strawberries. Melt chocolate in a double boiler or in the microwave. Dip strawberries in chocolate and place on parchment paper and refrigerate until the chocolate is hardened. 8. Chocolate chip cookies. Mix together flour, sugar, butter, eggs, baking powder, and chocolate chips. Roll the dough into balls and flatten them slightly before baking at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. 9. Homemade pizza. Spread pizza sauce over a pre-made or homemade pizza crust, add cheese and toppings of your choice and bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. For toppings, you can add cheese, pepperoni, bacon, sausage, mushrooms, onions, peppers. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. 10. Cheese and crackers. Cut cheese into bite-sized chunks and serve with your favorite crackers. You can use any type of cheese such as cheddar, brie, Gouda, or mozzarella. For crackers, you can use any brand such as Triscuit, Ritz, or Wheat Thins. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more.